Welcome back to the next part of the show, and now it is we're back. Yeah, we're back with the exercise number 1. Okay, first we did the exercise number 3, then now we jump back to the exercise number 1. So, exercise number 1, and for the exercise number 2 too. Listen to the first part of the 6 different presentations. Decide which topic from the box each one is talking about. So, we will have 6 topics for 6 people speaking. So we're gonna match them with the correct speaker. So we have computers, consumerism, extreme sports, global warming, health and fitness, and sexual equality. So match them with the correct speaker speaking about the topic they're speaking. And you can also do the exercise number 2 too. 2. You can do the exercise about the fill in the blanks. So listen again and complete the expressions used by the speakers. Okay, so we have 6 speakers also for the exercise from number 1 and for the sentences 1 to 12. Just fill in the blank. Yeah, listen and fill in the blank. You can do both, or when listen to the speaker speak, do the number 1 first, then rewind to the beginning from the beginning, then listen to the exercise number 2. It is your choice, okay? Your life, your choice. So, luckily, right now I have invited some of my friends to come here, and those are 6 people are all here, and they're gonna whisper to my ears, okay? So each one gonna say to my ears, okay? So maybe the first one, please come on out, and now we're gonna do the exercises right now. Okay, so please come on out and whisper on my ear, okay? Yeah, whisper to my ear right now. Okay, you ready? Okay, you ready too? Let's begin. Speaker 1. A century ago, the fitness industry didn't exist. In those days, many more people had very physical jobs, for example, working in agriculture, so they didn't need to look for extra exercise in their free time. Today, on the other hand, millions of people spend their working day behind the desk. Speaker number 2. Scientists know that the world's climate has changed several times in the past. For millions of years, temperatures have been rising and falling as Earth passes through the ice ages. However, most scientists agree that the current changes in the temperature are something different. Speaker number 3. The earliest extreme sports were things like snowboarding and barefoot water skiing. They were originally invented by a few individuals who wanted to test themselves and experience more danger and excitement. Today, these sports are common. Let's hear from the speaker number 4. In the most ancient societies, men have had all of the power. Women were considered to be second-class citizens or even possessions. Before the modern era, people did not really think that about whether men and women had equal rights. Speaker number 5. When my grandparents were young, they didn't have much money. At that time, most people could only afford to buy food, clothing, and other necessities. They didn't have extra money to spend, so shopping didn't really exist as a hobby like it does today. Oh, very good idea and good point, sir. Maybe, sir. And the last one, speaker number 6. Let's hear what they want to say. A few decades ago, there were no computers. Although the world is different then, people managed to live their lives. They didn't really miss computers because, of course, they didn't know what they were or what they would be able to do. Nowadays, computers are everywhere. Okay, so there are all of their ideas and want to thank 6 people. Okay, so now walk in here, walk out there. Okay, cheers. Cheers, ready? Okay. Clink. They invited me to drink whiskey, but I drink water. So yeah, go out and enjoy yourself. Yeah. Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Well, of course, not all of them are women, but I send to some, okay? So have you done yet? So, quite easy, right? Because they are all appears at the first word of every people speaking. So, let's see what we will have. So first, with the speaker number 1, what did you hear? Yeah, health and fitness. Remember the first word they say? Fitness industry didn't exist centuries ago. A century ago. Fitness industry didn't exist. So, loud and clear, it is about fitness, where health and fitness, okay? Health and fitness. Speaker number 2. Speaker number 2, what did you remember about? Let me read it again. Scientists know that the word's climate has changed several times in the past. So climate, it is about climate again, and very, very important issue, okay? About climate change, yeah, it is what I mean. So it is about global warming, okay, global warming. So speaker number 2 about global warming. Speak about that. Global warming. Speaker 3. Speaker number 3, what did you remember about? The first line, he said that the earliest extreme sports were things like snowboarding and barefoot water skiing. So, it is about that. So, it is about sports. And it is extreme sports, okay? It is easy. Extreme sports. Speaker number 4, what did you remember? Oh yeah. In the most ancient societies, men had all of the power. Women were considered to be second-class citizens or even possessions. Before the modern era, people did not really think about whether men and women had equal rights. So man and woman, equal rights. It is about sexual equality, okay? Sexual equality. Speaker number 5. And speaker number 6, what did you say? We'll be right back with next part of the show. I'm gonna tell you what the answer is.